Good morning, subscribers. Today it's a beautiful sunny day. I'm in Mumbai city in front of the Gateway of India, and today my plan is for going to Cordelia cruise. It's one of the luxurious cruise which runs from the Mumbai port, and I will cover one complete itinerary of the cruise. It will start from Mumbai today somewhat around 3 p.m. 6 p.m. The boarding will start from 3 p.m. and after that it will come back to the Mumbai again on Monday morning. So I will keep you updated all of this tour. So please stay tuned and please watch this video completely till the end. Cordelia cruise sails from the Ballard Pier Green Gate Mumbai port. It is 10 minutes taxi distance from the Gateway of India. Although official checking time is 3 p.m. but they allow early checking from 12 o'clock also. You have to carry one government ID like passport or Aadhaar card for the purpose of checking. It is mandatory. After all document verification and security, a card is issued in your name. Keep the card very carefully because it works as your room key as well as an identification for in-house complimentary purchase from the cruise. From inside, the cruise gives an appearance of a shopping mall. It has got 10th floor and every floor has different kinds of attractions. Cordelia offers 5 categories of rooms: interior, ocean view, mini suite and chairman's room. We have taken the ocean view room, which is having 2 beds accompanied with a beautiful window with an outside ocean view. It has also got a television. Unlike other hotels, there are plenty of water bottles. It has got a small attached toilet but accompanied with all kinds of amenities like that of a good hotel. After checking, we proceed for the lunch. After having my hefty lunch at the restaurant, I went back to my cabin and I slept like a baby for 4 hours. And around 4:30 p.m. when I came back on the top floor, I found again the evening snacks have been served and many people have gathered on the beautiful deck to watch the sunset, and ship has already been sailed by that time. Our cruise has just been started from the dock, and we just had a very nice IT on the top floor, and after that all of us have come on upstairs on the top deck for watching beautiful sunset. After the sunset, it was party time, so party started on 10th floor top deck as well as on the 5th floor chairman's club along with unlimited liquor. Beautiful live music was ongoing on the 5th floor chairman's club. I kept on enjoying it for a long time. People were dancing along with their families and friends along with the music. The casino had also started from 7:30 p.m. onwards as soon as the cruise entered inside the international water. While we are busy in dancing and partying, dinner has already been served from 8:30 p.m. onwards. The after party started post dinner once again. And the story doesn't end here. Again, there is a round of midnight snacks after 12 o'clock for those who become tired after enjoying the after party. With this, I am ending the first day video of Cordelia cruise. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please wait for the second day.